Hello guys, welcome to another video on Know It Now. And on this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to boost Audiomack streams in Ghana, and we are going to be using growbetter.net. All you have to do is go to any of your search browser and search growbetter.net. Once you search it, it will bring you to this space. As a first timer, this is how the website is going to display. Notes, this is how the website is going to display. Growbetter.net is a website where you boost all your social media like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Audiomack, Telegram, Twitter, and other social media apps. And on this website, you can boost your social media followers, views, comments, subscribers, like, and shares. First thing first, you have to have an account with this website before you can make any order on this website. And to sign up on this website, it is very easy and simple. Following these few steps I'm about to show you, all you have to do is click on the sign up button. If you don't have an account, you click on sign up. It will bring you to this space, right? All you have to do is create a username, input your email, create a strong password, confirm password, and click on I'm not a robot. Once you have filled in all these details, all you have to do is click on sign up. It is that easy and simple to create an account with growbetter.net. I have an account already, right? All I have to do is click on sign in. It will bring me back to this space. I'll just input my details and sign in. Once you're signed in, this is how the website looks like on the inside. And as I said earlier, this website is not free. First thing first, you have to have an account with growbetter.net, and the second thing is you have to have fund on your account before you make any order on the website. And to add fund on growbetter.net, it is very easy and it is very simple. On my previous videos, I've shown and explained how to add fund on this website, growbetter.net. But if you want me to drop a specific video concerning how to add fund on this website, all you have to do is drop a comment on the comment section, and I'm going to do just that. Let's get right into the video. Under category, you click on this arrow. You see Audiomack services right there. As you can see, you click on it. Under services, you click on this arrow. There are varieties of services there, as you can see. And as I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you guys how to boost Audiomack streams in Ghana, right? There are varieties of Audiomack streams there, as you can see. There's Audiomack streams USA, Canada, France, Germany, Nigeria, Egypt, and South Africa. But I'm showing you guys how to boost Audiomack stream Ghana, right? And as you can see there, Audiomack streams Ghana, you click on it. Under this link and quantity, on this link you have to input the song link you want to get streams for. I've copied my link before the start of this video. All I have to do is input my link. And on this quantity, I'm going to be inputting the amount of streams I want to get for this particular song. If you want to know how to copy song link, on my previous videos, I've shown and explained how to copy song link. But if you want me to drop a specific video concerning how to copy song link on Audiomack, all you have to do is drop a comment on the comment section, and I'm going to do just that. Once you have filled in your correct song link and you have input the quantity of streams you want to get, all you have to do is click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will see a notification that your order has been received, and it is that simple and easy to boost Audiomack streams in Ghana using growbetter.net. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more relatable videos like this. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, if it's your first time coming across Know It Now, don't forget to kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification to be notified anytime we post a new video. And if you have subscribed to this channel, thank you. Don't forget to kindly like, share, and drop a comment. If you don't have anything to say, all you have to do is say thank you for sharing this information. That will be enough. Thank you, and God bless you.